Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is BRcrochet. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome, and if you are always coming back to my channel, you are welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make a top using this yarn. I'm using this color, a pair of scissors, a 4.0mm hook, and the tape measure. The measurement for this tutorial is going to be our bust circumference. Mine is 34, but I'm going to be working with 25. But that's not important right now. The important thing is to start from the beginning. Then we'll make our down part first, then go back to the top. First thing to do is make a knot. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the fourth chain, skip 3. I'm going to the fourth chain. 1, 2, 3. Then into the last chain, which is the fourth chain, going with 1 double crochet. So now you have 2 double crochet. Make 3 extra double crochet to complete 5 double crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should be having this. Chain 1, turn your work. Then into every loop, you're going to be putting, into every stitch space, you're going to be putting in 1 single crochet. So to make a single crochet, you just go in directly. You have to pull out the 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, into the last stitch here, 5. So it's going to be looking like this. Chain 2, 1, 2. Turn your work. Into this first stitch space here, you're going to put in extra 4 double crochet. So you have 2 here. 3, 4. So you have 5 here. Don't chain anything. Go into the last stitch here and put in another 5 double crochet. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like this. You're going to chain 1, turn your work. Into every stitch space, you're going to be putting in 1 single crochet, just like you did for this first part. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So you should be having 10 in total. You have something like this. You're going to make a chain of 2 again. You can also make a chain of 3, but I'm making a chain of 2. Turn your work. Into this part again, you're going to put an extra 4 double crochets to complete 5 double crochet. So you have 2 now. 3, 4, 5, 5. Don't chain anything. Go into this middle point here. You have 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So into this middle point here, you're going with 5 double crochet into the middle points. 1 2 3 4 5. It's like this. Don't chain anything. Go into the last stitch here with another 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is what it's looking like. Tie with 5 double crochet, then you make single crochet round into every stitch space, which is 5 single crochet, then into the first stitch of the next row you made in 5 double crochet, then you don't chain, and going into the last with 5 double crochet. So in total you have 10. Now you have 5 double crochet into the first stitch, then into the middle stitch connecting the 5 stitches together, you have another 5 double crochet, and into the last stitch here you have 5 double crochet. So you're going to chain 1 and making 1 single crochet into all the stitch space, which means you're going to be having 15 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 into the last stitch, then you have 15. So you're going to chain 2. You can chain 3. Okay, chain 3, turn your work into this first stitch. You're going to put in extra 4 double crochet. So you're going to go in like this until you have 10 rows. Chain anything, go into this middle part here, connecting this and this together. You're going to go in with 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. You're going to skip 4 1 2 3 4, and into the 5th here you're going to put in another 5 double crochet. So now I'm done and I have this is what I'm having in total. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I have 11 of this. I have 21 rows in total. So if I'm going to do single rows here, then I have 22 rows in total. So this is it. Look my measurements now. I have 13 inches, and I'm working on the 25 inches. So it's going to be like this. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 7 inches here. Then this is 20, and I'm working on 25 rows. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'm working on 25 inches. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 5 inches here and I have 7 inches here. So I'm just going to make it equal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 inches here. Then here is going to be 6 inches. So I'm going to make a long chain here and here. So make a long chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Make a long chain of 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So I need to check the measurement. So make it long. It's not up to 5 inches. So I'm going to make extra 3, extra 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to make a long chain of 20 here also. Chain here. You're going to make a chain of 20. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 10. So I have a chain of 20 here, and I'm going to cut out my yarn. So now I'm going to take my measurement again to see if I have my correct measurement of 25 inches. So starting from here, so now I have 25 inches. I have my correct measurements now. So I'm going to work double crochet. You're going to work at the back here because I'm turning my work. So I'm going to skip 2 chain, 1, skip 1 and 2, and work into the third with that double crochet. 1, 2, so you continue. I will meet up here again. So it's like this. I'm going to continue like this, making 1 double crochet on every stitch space until maybe like 10 rows. But when I have my desired row, I'm going to come back. And it's like this. I'm done and I have 11 rows of this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I'm going to, this is the end of it. So now I'm going to chain 2, then cut out my yarn. So I'm going to fold into 2 like this. If you want, you can rush this part like this, and you have your top like this, but I'm not going to be doing mine, so you're going to leave it like this. And from here I'm going to pick these 2 points here. So this is where my strap is going to be. So from here now I'm going to, I can turn this way, and I can also turn this way, but I'm going to work on this part here. So I'm going to make in my chain. I'm using 4 strands. So making a long chain that is going to be enough to tie around the back. So I have my 2 straps fixed, and this is what it's like. It's long. So now I'm going to tie on a zigzag across the back. So you can crisscross it. The first one is going to be here. The second one. So I'm going to count 1, 2, then into the third. 1, 2, into the third. I'm going to. 1, 2. So this is what it's like. And this is the front panel. Like I said, if you want, you can just launch the front like this, and you have your top looking like this. I can just put in a yarn here and tie, but mine is going to be plain. So yeah, this is what I have as my top. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.